You know what grinds my gears, America? McDonald's and the McDonald's app. And I'll tell you why. Alright. Well, I decided we were going to order out tonight, me and my girl. And so I go open up the McDonald's app and select my location. They're supposed to be open till 11:59 midnight. And that's cool. So we place our order. I get ready, head to McDonald's, only to find out that they're closed when I arrived. So I pull in the parking lot, tell my girl, they're closed. I look over, I happen to see associates' cars there, and I see them coming out. So I drive over there, and I say to them, you're supposed to be open until 11:59. What's going on? And they're like, well, there's a piece of paper on the window that says that we're closing at 11. Well, that's all good and well, but how the hell am I supposed to get the food that I paid for already? I said, if I go to another McDonald's location, will they be able to fulfill my order? They proceed to say, yeah. So I go to my other McDonald's, pull up, tell them my order number. They proceed to tell me that your was placed at another McDonald's and we can't fulfill your order. You would have to reorder it and pay for it again. That's what pisses me off right there. Why should I have to pay for the food that I've already paid for and because the other McDonald's was closed of something that's not my fault and I'm not supposed to know that they're closing at 11 and their app's saying 11:59, I think that's quite unfair. I think that if we've already paid for that food, it shouldn't matter which McDonald's we go to. We should be able to get that food without having to pay for it again. That's what's fucked up. I have a lot more of what grinds my gears, especially with the fast food industries. Because if you have my opinion, they've all gone to shit over the years. Thank you all for watching my episode of What Grinds My Gears.